Actually, I heard from my friends there are a lot of courses in Europe. Also, it was my ambition to learn some new language. So I came here to study German. I feel comfortable here.
Yeah, one of my best ambition is for higher studies. I got a chance to study in Europe. It's for me, I am very lucky. I am very happy to hear.
My goal is to complete the German B2 level, then go to Germany or Austria for work as a nurse.
My river is, I feel very good. I visited some places, Poheria, Calvaria, like Drava also. I'm very happy to see the new places.
Of course, it's very nice place to visit and living also. Living condition and all peoples we feel very calm, quiet and very cooperative. After I completing my B2 level, I definitely go to any of the German countries to get a job.
My goal is to get a job in any German speaking country.
This will help me to achieve a job, gain a job at the end after completing the course.
I think they will satisfy this college and our course.